Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can format your USB to ExFat format on Windows 11. First of all, you need to connect your USB to your PC. I'm using Microsoft Surface right now, so I will use an OTG adapter right here to change to USB Type-C, and I will connect to my Windows device right now. As you can see, Windows device recognize my USB, and then I will go to File Explorer over here. After that, you navigate to this PC, and you can see we have my USB over here. And now to format this one, you will right click to this USB and you choose Format over here. After that, you will see this table pop up. This one is the format type you want to choose. Normally, the default format is NTFS, default format for any kind of Windows device. But if you want to format to ExFat, you need to change it. You will choose this one and you change to ExFat. After that, you set up your volume label and you choose this one to have a quick format, or you want to have a very clean format, you can uncheck this one to have a clean format, but it will take a couple times, so I will choose quick format. Okay, now I click start, and then it's a warning that all the data on my USB will be removed, so I will click OK. The formatting is complete. Now my USB is ready now for ExFat format. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.